Hello friends, this is Mirza from MISUBA. Before starting, you please subscribe my channel for more videos and also click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Then only you will get the updates of my new videos.
Friends, in this video tutorial, simply that we are going to discuss about the links in HTML. Okay, first I will go to the Notepad++. See, so this is just a simple format of HTML. We will save this file save as. Yeah, so this is the links of HTML, right? Links.html, file name.html. So file name is links, extension is .html. Save. So just I will give the title here. Links of HTML. Okay, friends. So for the links that we have to use the tag. So what tag that we have to use? A tag, that is an anchor tag. Okay. Just I will give one example, that is visit Google. Okay. This is the closing tag of A. And we have to give the hypertext reference here. That is yeah, just I will give the hash here right now. So visit Google is the first link. Copy this, paste to the second line, again paste in the third line. In the website, simply you will see the about us page. Okay, I will give here about us. In the website you will see this about us, so that's why that I am using the about us. And another is suppose take FB page. Okay, that is Facebook page. Control S. I will go to the browser. So this is the HTML folder. In this folder we had make a file that is links.html, right? So visit Google about us Facebook page. Okay, just go to the Notepad++ again. So what is the link of the Google? See, Google is https www.google.com google.com. Okay, just I will copy this and I'll paste this here. If you don't want to give any link, simply you can give the hash sign. In the last class also I told you about this. So about us and the Facebook page, so we don't have right now about us, so simply okay, for the Facebook page I will change this to the YouTube. You can use Facebook also, YouTube. Okay, and we have to give the YouTube link here. So what is the YouTube link? www.youtube.com. Copy this and paste it here. Well, Control S, save this file and go to the browser again. So this is our links.html. Refresh this page. See, visit Google. This is Google. Go back again to the file, then go forward, go backward. If you want to go to the YouTube, click on YouTube. So you are on the YouTube. Okay, again go back. So this is the about us page. This is not working because till now I had not given a link here. That's why it is not working. If I want to give the break here with the help of break tag, that I can do this. BR tag. BR tag is a break tag here also. Control S, save, again go to the browser, refresh this page. See, one more thing friends, like I can give the title also here. suppose TL title is, I want to give the Google. Okay, like when the cursor is going to come on that visit Google, it should show like this is a Google link. Okay, Control S, go to the browser, refresh this page. See, here it is showing it is a Google. For about us it is not showing anything. Similarly for about us on YouTube, you can give it title. You can give the title. Okay, title is a YouTube. So YouTube, Control S. Similarly for the about us also you can give this. This is the about us, right? Control S, again go to the browser, refresh this page. See, this is visit Google, this is about us, and this is YouTube. Oh, YouTube it is not coming out. Let's check it out once. Yeah, it's equal to sign. You have to give it. Control S, again go to the browser, refresh this page. See, now it is showing YouTube, about us, visit Google. Friends, if you want to change the color of this, by simply you can use the style like a CSS inline style here. So this is the style. Okay, I'll give the color, like suppose I want to give the color as red. Control S, go to the browser, refresh this page. See, I got the color as red. So in this format that you can use the styles in HTML. I think that you are clear with this. If you want to change the color of this YouTube to green, like you can see on the web pages, like some links are in red color, like to highlight. So just I will go to YouTube. I can change to any of the color, like it's up to you what color that you want to use. Style, color is suppose, see, now I want to give the green color. Control S, go to the browser, refresh this page. Sorry, here that I need to give the color right. Color, then color. Save this file, go to the browser, refresh this page. See, I got the color of this link is YouTube link is green color. Go back to this, go forward, go backward. I think you're clear with the links, how to use the links in HTML. If you want to change the color of the background, simply in the body you can give the color. This is the attribute you have to give here. Okay, sorry, in the opening. Yeah, oh, you can give it here. BG color is simply, suppose I want to give yellow. So Control S, go to the browser, refresh this page. See, I got the color in the yellow. So whole background got changed to the yellow in color. If you want to give the red color, if you want to give the black color, simply write the black. Control S, go to the browser, refresh this page. Okay, I think you understood how to use the links in HTML. Okay friends, I think it is clear. Like if you want to give the, like if you are going to make the web page of about us, so simply you have to give the link of this, like about us.html. If you are making the page, simply give the link as about.html. Okay, well, this is enough for this tutorial. And what about the title here? Like whenever that you are going to put your cursor on this, so it will give the title. So here the title is Google. So whenever that I am going to go to the browser, if I am going to put the cursor on this visit Google, it will show the title of this. So it is a Google. Okay friends, done with today's class.
Finally friends, the most important thing, you just subscribe my channel. When I am going to upload new video, you will get a notification if you click on the bell icon. So please subscribe my channel and also like and share my videos. Bye friends, see you in the next video.